Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, where today we're discussing why my style had to change after 50 and what do I wear now. I used to open my closet and none of it felt like it represented who I was now. Not because anything was wrong with the clothes, but because something had changed in me. And once I realized that, I knew my style had to change too. I think a lot of us don't realize how much our style gets tied to a version of ourselves from years ago. We keep wearing the same type of outfits, shopping the same way, holding on to pieces because we always have, even when it doesn't feel quite right anymore. For me, it wasn't one big moment. It was little things. Trying something on and thinking, why doesn't this feel like me anymore? And putting an outfit together and feeling like I was dressing out of habit, not intention. And that's when it clicked. My life had evolved, but my style, it just hadn't caught up with me yet. And here's the truth. Your style is supposed to evolve with you. After 50, we're not dressing to prove anything. We're not chasing every trend. We're dressing for how we want to feel. Comfortable, confident, put together, without trying too hard. So I stopped asking, is this in style? And started asking, does this feel like me now? That one question changed everything. And here's what that looked like for me. I let go of pieces that didn't feel right anymore, even if they were perfectly fine, because keeping them was keeping me stuck. I focused on fit and comfort, not just how something looked, but how it felt on my body now. And that matters so much more than it used to. I simplified my style, less clutter, more intention, pieces that I could actually wear, not just admire. All right, this one's a big one. I stopped dressing for other people, not for trends, not for expectations, just for me. And something really interesting happened. When I started dressing differently, I started feeling differently, more confident, more current, more like myself again. Because style, it's not just about clothes. It's about identity. And this is where it all connects. Because once I understood what I wanted my style to feel like, I completely changed the way I shopped, the way I try things on, and the items that I bring into my closet. So going forward, I'm going to start sharing more of that with you. Realistic try-ons, what actually works, what doesn't, and pieces that actually fit this stage of life. Because style after 50 doesn't have to feel limiting. It can feel better than ever. And I'd really love to know, have you ever looked at your closet and thought, this just doesn't feel like me anymore? Let me know in the comments, because I have a feeling a lot of us are in this together.